Okay, so I got the sides taken off, little cover, and now I just need to strap it up to the hoist. I got a bunch of different straps. Let's see which one kind of works the best here. Thinking I lift up there. That will give us can't really go, I don't want to go underneath this thing, but it probably, it's gonna kind of swing it a little bit, but yeah, it's gonna want to pull this up. So try that guy. Now the strap might be too long. I might have to grab one of my, yeah, it's gonna be too long. Grab a shorter strap in order to get it through there. I like these straps. When you do a basket like this thing's rated at 5,300 pounds. And it's called a polyester round sling. In case you need to find it, they're really great. And we'll see if this is, let's see, now this is going to be long enough. And I don't know, that other one I got, I like to get all different lengths. This one's a little bit longer, sure. Oh yeah, perfect. So, go ahead and put it there. Now we got a good spot there. Now let's try this, and once again, I'm gonna move out of the way. This thing tips over, or come up where I want it to. Like we got a little bit better this time. Yeah, there we go. And I just want to make sure I'm out of the way in case something should fail. Pretty good there. So everything is free for the most part. What I want to do is see if I can move this thing out of the way. I just made this thing press board. It's pretty cheap. Okay, so we're free swinging there. And let's see how that looks on the camera. Oh yeah. So I'm going to move the truck forward. And hopefully we'll clear and move this 4x4 off the back here. Put the chain like that. Move my straps out of the way. Now if it should fail, it will create quite the ruckus. So as you can see, we're free now. And I got the framework for this. And, oops, there we go. Go ahead and move back a bit, and I'm gonna lower this down so it's not up so high. Make sure you stay nice and clear of it and go down real smooth, but we did a good job getting this really even. And something for this to set on. I'm not sure how high off the little stand is on this. I need to grab that and get that set up. Doesn't seem to be any issues with the where our lift point is, so. Okay. Alright, so I'm not sure how well you'll be able to hear me, but I got everything together. It's all in operation. Got some pretty good sized logs here. I'll do a little split so you guys can see. Get it in operation. See, that thing is just, this thing is just wild. How awesome that quick that splits. And even the serious knots and stuff, it works right through. So, I mean, literally, you know, that little pile, gosh, I mean, no, honestly, that probably took maybe a minute and a half, 2 minutes, if that. So I'll see if I can get some production numbers out of this when I actually get everything kind of lined up, just with a one-man show. See how much you can do, but definitely easy to do. Cord and a half, the 2 cords probably for a single guy. If you got 2 people kind of feeding and moving, you can definitely hit that 2.5 cord mark. So hey, thanks you guys for watching. If you got any questions, send me a message or email. Thanks.